Drones have been around for a long time, but it's only in recent years that commercial ones have hit the market and increased in popularity. Photographers are putting down their traditional cameras and taking to the skies to take some truly awe-inspiring shots. Using a drone is a wonderful way to explore things from a different angle regardless of if you're a pro or an amateur, but it's not exactly a cheap hobby. Drones can sell on sites like Amazon for thousands of dollars. The technology in this field is still advancing, so pictures like this are just the beginning. 1. Gray whale plays pushing tourists. This awesome award-winning drone photo will tug at the heartstrings of animal lovers everywhere. In this photo, we see a group of passengers on a small travel boat. A gray whale is playfully bumping up against them, giving them one memorable photo op. 2. The fishing net. This beautiful photo from Trung Pham Hai is titled The Fishing Net. The fishing net was taken during Vietnam's anchovy fishing season, and the artistry of the photo makes it look like a floating flower on the sea from the aerial view. Hai's drone of choice is unknown, but the aquatic nature of the photo means that a drone like Potensic T25 GPS drone could come in handy. 3. Red train. Contrasting colors make for the best photos, especially when it's an unplanned scene. This red train snaking its way through pure white snow-topped trees couldn't be any more visually satisfying. To get a shot like this, you'd likely need one of the higher quality drones on the market. 4. Lightning over Kuala Lumpur. Flash and flying a drone in awful weather can be a complete disaster. After all, these are expensive pieces of technology that shouldn't be messed with. Of course, there are companies that have thought of everything, including the makers of the Swell Pro Splash Drone 3 Plus. 5. Lem Beach, Rio de Janeiro. It's hard to tell what this picture even is. It looks like some kind of retro art print pulled out of a 60s office on Wall Street, but it's actually much cleverer than that. This picture is of Lem Beach, a cute little spot close to Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro. 6. Flock of flamingos. For anyone who looks at too many memes, this stun photo is incontrovertible proof that birds are in fact real. While it's undisclosed exactly which model the photographer used to snap this awe-inspiring image, one thing is certain, that there are few sights quite as striking as a flock of flamingos. 7. Bird's nest. Is it a giant animal head caught in a fence? Nope, it's a gargantuan bird's nest nestled in electric wire. This photo is so mind-bending that it's strange to look at, but apparently birds' nests at large really do exist. While some see them from below, drones like the DJI Spark allow us to see it from a whole new level. 8. Big Bunny. Let's face it, this isn't going to be winning any prizes for best picture quality, but that doesn't make the image any less impactful. The giant pink bunny sprawled out over a field may be the work of computer trickery, but that doesn't mean it didn't start out as a drone snap. 9. Camel's shadow. Before the DJI Mavic Air 2 came the DJI Mavic Air. The tech may have been upgraded since then, but this drone still got the job done. With brilliant resolution, the Air could have been the one to capture this still of a camel in the desert. If the shadow wasn't there, you probably wouldn't even realize there was a camel there in the first place. It's a simple scene that works incredibly well. You can almost feel the heat radiating out from the photo, and that's no small feat. 10. Weather snake. Drone photographer Ovi Depop won the abstract category of the Drone Awards with Weather Snake, a photo so neatly divided that it almost looks like an optical illusion. Ovi Depop took an aerial photo of a road in the middle of a Romanian forest near Derna in Bihor County, and the dichotomy in the photo was stunning. 11. Hippos in Tanzania. Getting close enough to photograph wildlife is hard for even the most experienced photographer, so when drones finally hit the market, it opened up a ton of new doors. Suddenly, we could get views of incredible animals that we never had before. 12. Lofoten, Norway. It may seem easy to throw a drone up in the air, press a few buttons and hope that what Kaidariku is something worthwhile, but over the years these machines have become important pieces of tech. Serious photographers may turn to the DJI Phantom Pro V2.0 to take stunning aerial shots like this. 13. Love Heart of Nature. This stunning image won the Drone Awards Photo of the Year, photographed by Jim Pickett. This intriguing heart-shaped photo features a shark swimming inside a school of salmon. As the shark is chasing the baitfish, the shape turns into an uncanny heart shape. 14. Lobster Village. The 2018 Drone Awards saw some of the world's most beautiful aerial photos that year, all courtesy of dedicated photographers. One such 2018 award winner was a photo of a lobster village, taken by Trung Pham Hai. The lobster farm was located in the Han Yen coastal area, in the Phu Yen province. 15. Dubai Marina. Carmine Chiriaco's Dubai Marina is an aerial view of the pier of the Dubai Marina. It gives a contrasting view with the ocean water, creating an all-new angle for a space that thousands of people visit every day. The buildings in Dubai are architectural wonders, and Dubai Marina lets us see them from the sky.